Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It has been a long time I didn't update English video about AI content hacker channel. So today I am going to start from scratch and share what I learned and let's go. So for most of the people that are confusing about keyword. So maybe we have some kind of a new ideas to understand and analyze their concepts. So for me, I would love to do it in keyword coordinate access for this uh, keyword selection, keyword understanding. Okay, so let's try now. In my idea that for the axis, I will arrange this difficulty. So this will be the axis, right? So it will be the SEO difficulty, and then the y-axis will be search volume. So I mark as volume. For Ahrefs and HMrush, they usually pretend that search volume solve for this one, right? And many other keyword tools would express SEO difficulty as short as difficulty, and some keyword idea tools they might okay they would do it in a way that okay they say the possibility, right? Okay, possibility. So this would be a reverse way to understand them. So I don't like it because possibility it's the so this 0 to 100, it will be moved to 0, then to 100. It will be more and more difficult. Like that's the idea. If I use the possibility to ranking possibility idea, that will be okay from 0 to 100, and it will be more and more easier to rank. Right. So it's not my prefer way to express this. So I will stick to difficulty. So in this way, so for the keywords, they will appear like in the application. So if you like this one, so the difficulty is like this one. Ideally, it will be like this, right? It will be like this. So in many people, they're okay, and more people search for this keyword, and eventually for a long time, eventually it will like this one. So it's more and more difficult to learn if more and more people are searching for it, because everyone is competing for this keyword, right? So they will do anything to make it rank higher, to take the number one, number two, number three position for this one, right? So this is easy. And many people, okay, they suggest us, okay, you should stick to okay long tail keyword, some kind of. I don't like that idea. So in my understanding, let's do okay. I've learned a lot of complex uh, concepts or some kind of ideas about ranking, right? So I don't like it. So in my view, that will be like, okay, let's pretend that the volume, the top will be 10K. Let's pretend that in many cases, right? So if this one is 100 monthly searched, keyword, right? Okay. Then for the search volume, it will be 0 to 100, even 0 to 10. That kind of range is fine. It's under 100, right? Okay, and the difficulty will be under 10 or equals to 10. So this will be the so-called long tail or keywords. This will be that kind of idea. Okay, and then the next layer will be okay. Let's go for easier position. Like there is like a 30 for the okay 1 to 500, right? 500. Maybe some other cases might be higher, but let's make it uh, ideally. So assume that it will be 500, right? Okay, and the idea will be 1,000, right? For this range, and then we have the other like this one. So let's pretend that this will be 50. Okay, and after that there will be 50. 1, 2, 3, 4 equals, and eventually maybe let's go for 100. Usually not it will not go there. Maybe 90 will be fine eventually. And let's say the difficulty in different keyword tools, they will be difficult. Even the same keywords, right? Let's uh, uh, let's assume that okay for this one like automatic dog feeder. In this keyword, maybe in Ubersuggest it will be uh, 70, and in Ahrefs they will suggest it will be 75. You can see that they're using different standards. They have a different understanding and using the different API connector, right? Some kind of that. So that will be different. And but the core idea is the same. It means it's hard to learn, right? If we use higher difficulty keywords, we can we cannot learn for the new websites, new content, right? So let's be practical. We will use this kind of keywords for our content first, for our AI generating content first. Like we need to use AI to assist us for this kind of content. We don't suggest that you just throw it to the AI and generate a ton of like a rubbish content to people. The world is full of rubbish content. I was telling people that I was afraid. Now it is reality we are facing, right? I hate that. I really suggest that we need to use AI to help us, not lead us, not replace us, right? Okay, and this one we usually for blog, and for this one I usually go for the product, and usually then this will be the category, and this one will be usually for the navigation. Or let's say some kind of a menu, okay, and when sometimes we will use it in the landing page. That's it. Okay, so why so one more, the category will be including the product category and the blog category. There will be two cases here. This is the general suggestion for the keywords. we usually need to looking into the SERP search engine ranking page. We need to define define whether it is better for blog or better for product. If people are using it for ranking the product pages, we better put that into product. No matter it is less than 100 and less than 10, less than 100 search volume and 10 difficulty. This is the usual case, but there will be exceptions, right? We need to take care and we use the SERP. We look into it for this keyword. And from my study and my case study is showing that sometimes at the very beginning it was low quality, low search volume and low difficulty, and we might use low quality content to cover this kind of block. And for the short block, like 300 to 500 key words content length, we can rank that. Eventually, I lost the position because some others doing longer, and maybe I need to go longer content length for that one, right? Then other cases is showing that a block idea uh, idea would turn into product idea. That means this keyword mainly, if at the first place, mainly for blog, if you rank and people love to check it in the blog. But sometimes, okay, people understand that, all right, and they accept the idea. Eventually, people might sell. The manufacturers and factories are selling the products, so they name it with the blog suggested name. People get used to it, right? So if it eventually it became the product name instead of a blogging keyword, right? So this one we need to move it or include this product keywords here. We make another page similar keywords for the product and include the product in this blog, and we recommend people, okay, this one product is what you're looking for. And eventually we might take that kind of ranking opportunity, and sometimes we really need to move it to the product position. Like that's the case because if you change, so it may more and more people are going to search this keywords. Keyword search volume is not always stays there, or it's not always increasing or decreasing. It's always changing. People are changing, right? Something disappear and some new thing come out, right? That's the case. That's the real world. So we go for this kind of content creation process. So for me, this is enough for this keyword understanding, right? Too many people are using complex concepts for, okay, this is the head keyword, right? Okay, you need to go for what kind of problem, and this is the long tail keyword. Oh, so many concepts, so many concepts. I don't know what to do. So in this way, okay, I use the keyword tool to extract the keyword list. So it has the search volume, it has the SEO difficulty. Okay, right. I got it, and I will filter the PPC and the PPC competition metrics because I don't care about PPC, right? but in some cases there will be some kind of business value for this one, because when we have the same volume, I definitely will you go for two keywords, same search volume, but they have the different PPC, CPC, sorry. Okay, CPC, right? CPC, cost per click, and it's meant to use the Google as some kind of paying for the clicking, right? So if people are willing to pay higher prices for their keyword, I will priority for for that one, right? I will have the kind of priority for that kind of keyword. So might have a little usage for this one, but mainly I don't care that much. I would just look into search volume and difficulty. That's all uh, telling people. I am telling people that we can use this simple idea, simple coordinate access to understand our keywords, and we can look into the number and the access. Right, access means two two metrics that are making the idea we use keyword in this kind of a process and this kind of a strategy for our AI content creation, right? So this is the idea. I I think some kind of people might like this one, might and other people might not like this one, and they might think is okay. You are making it more difficult. I that will be fine. Yes, everyone has their thinking idea for their habits in thinking, and they understand this kind of strategy, and we are thinking alike. Like I am helping people who are thinking alike, and if you are not thinking in this way, it might help you. Okay, you understand your ideas better because okay, people can see the same thing in different way. I love that. I appreciate that people are sharing different idea. Sometimes okay, it just inspired me to think harder and understand things easier in different kinds of ways. Like, and this is the idea. So if you think this is helpful, please give me like and subscribe. Even you have any idea or any questions, please leave me the comment and or contact me anytime. Thank you. Bye bye.